Well, a very good morning, afternoon, or evening to you, wherever you are in the world today. I hope you're fitting well. It's the trading room with me, Nick. And last night I put a trade on for the pound US dollar. I did a binary option to say it would be lower than the barrier price here, which is 139.82. And so far, well, you can see it's been a mixed sort of result, but we are on the right side of the trade right now. Now, this has got 3 hours and 15 minutes to go, as you can see here, and it's looking rather good. And the other thing that I would show you is that on Forex, hold on a minute, if I can type and do this video at the same time, it would be good. So looking at the situation for the day, come on, okay. So today, for the pound, there's nothing much happening. So it's a technical trade. The pound strengthened yesterday because of politics with Rex Tillerson basically being fired by Trump and new man Mr. Pompeo being put in. So that made the dollar weaker. But we will be out before, and this is critical when you're doing these binary options, get your timing right. Even set another watch to the other time zones, because I will be out before the US data comes out. And then we'll see what the reaction is to this core retail sales, PPI, retail sales, and see how the market responds to it. And then maybe there'll be another setup. Who knows? But at the moment, this setup was based on the dollar weakening because of, unfortunately, politics, which we need to be aware of. I'm not very interested in politics, but it does affect the market these days and what central bank policies of each currency are doing. So I've gone for a pullback on the pound dollar, and at the moment looking good with just over 3 hours to go. And this is on a real account, which I intend to build up, and you can follow the progress of this. And that's about it for the moment. So this is an update. There's been 2 previous videos about me placing this trade, all right? But this is the situation right here, right now, and it's about 2:30 here in Singapore, and we'll see how it goes. So it's the Asian session, and as long as it stays below 139.82, I'll be a very happy person. Okay, so from me, Nick, in the trading room, wherever you are in the world today, I hope life is being good to you. Be good to each other. And have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.